In this video, we are going to see manufacturing process subject, in which the topic is the manufacturing of plastic components. Myself, Rajkumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First of all, introduction about the plastic manufacturing of the plastic components. In general, the many organic materials are used in engineering industry. Plastics are belongs to the family of organic material. The plastic are attained a firm place today. Many characteristics of plastic are no problem for designing it. Organic materials are those materials obtained directly from carbon and chemically combined with oxygen, hydrogen and other non-metallic component. These organic materials are classified into two types, basically natural organic material and synthetic organic material. Natural organic material is the wood, coal, petroleum and natural rubber are under the category of natural organic. Synthetic organic material means the plastic, synthetic rubbers, ceramics, glass are under the categories of synthetic organic. Technically, these organic materials are called polymers. Okay, so we should know the first of all we should know the polymer. What is the meaning of polymer? Polymer means the term polymer has its base in Greek terminology, where poly means many and mers means parts. The term polymer stands to represent a substance built of several representing unit. A single unit is called a monomer. The monomers are small molecules. A polymer is made up of thousands of monomers joined together to form a large molecule. The characteristics of a polymer are that the molecule is either a long chain or a network of representing unit. Plastic are one kind of polymer. It is defined as an organic polymer. It can be pounded into any required shape with the help of the pressure or heat, or both heat and pressure. The liquid form of plastic is called as resin, and it is contain carbon as a central element. Oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine are linked to the carbon atoms to form the molecules. The main raw materials for making plastic in resin, the different types of resins are acrylic resin, polyethylene resin and ammonia resin. These resin are produced by different types of polymerization process. Catalyst, binder, dyes and lubricants are added with the resins to form the plastic. Basically, polymerization process we should know. The polymer is made up of linking thousands of monomers and thus obtained large molecular is called polymerization process. It is achieved by one of the two processing techniques. There are first one is additional polymerization, condensation polymerization. Additional means in additional polymerization similar monomers of large number of are added chemically one by one. These monomers form a long chain molecule. The basic principle which is used in the bonding is van der Waals force. The polyethylene is produced by additional polymerization. In additional polymerization process, no catalyst is used. Polymerization takes place by adding energy in the form of pressure and heat. The addition of two or more different monomers is called copolymerization process. Then condensation polymerization means in condensation polymerization two or more unlike monomers are linked and there is repeated elimination of smaller molecule to form byproduct. During this process, byproducts such as water or harmonic is formed. This byproduct formation is known as condensation. The condensation polymerization requires high pressure and it requires hours or days to complete the process. Then types of plastic. All plastic are broadly classified into main groups are they are two major groups plastic. One is the thermosetting plastic, another one is thermoplastic. First of all, we should know the thermosetting plastic. The plastic which are hardened by heat affected a non-reversible chemical changes are called thermosetting. Thermosetting plastics do not soften on reheating and cannot be reworked. Thermosetting molecules are formed by condensation polymerization. The molecules of such types of plastics have three-dimensional network and very strong binding force between molecules. The raw materials for thermosetting plastic is in the form of liquid or solid. These types of plastic are polymerization when mounted or formed. It consumed more time for formation. Then thermoplastic have separate long and large size molecules arranged side by side, does not have any cross linking in their molecular structures. Some of the thermoplastic structures is amorphous in nature, other than that all the crystallizing structure in nature. It is formed by additional polymerization process. When thermoplastic are heated, it became very soft and reheated on cooling. During heating, the linear bonding link between molecular breakup and molecules are separated. Relinking take place on cooling and retaining their hardness. It is easily removed or extruded to any shape. These plastics do not have a definite melting temperature. Then classification of processing of plastic. Processing of plastic. First of all, the plastic are basically classified into processing of thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic plastics. Then again we are classified into thermosetting plastics are compressive molding process and transfer molding process. And processing of thermoplastic plastics are injection molding, blow molding, and thermoforming and extrusion process. So we should know the difference between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So thermoplastic is the softened by heating, but thermosetting plastic is it cannot be softened by this process. But thermoplastic means the structure is made of linear chair molecules, but here thermosetting plastic structure is made of class link molecules. Thermoplastic materials produced by additional polymerization, but thermosetting plastics are produced by condensation polymerization. And thermoplastics can be reproduced by heating and cooling process, but it cannot be reproduced the thermosetting plastic. Then thermoplastic, the temperature increases with increase in plasticity. Plus thermosetting plasticity is stable in high temperature. Then thermoplastics it can be remolded to any shape, but thermosetting plastics cannot be remolded. But thermoplastics it is softer and less strong, but it is harder and strong material, thermosetting plastic. Then thermoplastic is a scrap can be reused, but thermosetting plastic scrap cannot be reused. Okay, these are the difference between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So we will see one by one. First of all, we should study the thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic it include compressor molding and transfer moldings. So these are the two different types of thermosetting plastic under it's coming two processes. But thermosetting process is under four processes: injection, blow molding, thermoforming, and extrusion process. Thank you.